sumigaw, tumigil ka.
Ayan, so first day ng aming family trip.
For the first day on our annual family trip here in Hong Kong, we are going to Ngong Pin Village by riding the longest bi-cable ropeway in Asia.
So, ayan, magkaiba yung pila nung sa Kakluk, diretso na. And, ayan, sakay na kami sa Crystal Cabin. Doon na tayo sa doon na tayo mag-picture sa loob. Let's go. So, dito kami sa Doraemon Cabin. Ayan, ito kami sa Doraemon Kid Cabin.
Oh my gosh.
We are here in Doraemon.
Ayan, so nakasakay na tayo sa
Cable
cable car. And yung kinuha namin is yung transparent. And ang bilis lang niya. Tapos, ayan, wala masyadong pila doon sa...
Oh my goodness.
Bakit mo sumigaw, tumigil ka.
Ayan, sa Lantau Island.
Pataas ng pataas.
The ride is about 30 minutes and it's 1,680 pesos. If you use my code BARTSILOGLOK, may 5% discount ka pa.
Baka makawala si mama dun, ha?
Yan. Hindi siya subway, parang daanan lang.
Daanan para sa papuntang Macau.
Ayan, so nakakuha kami nung free gachapon dito na silang event. Ayan. So, lalike nyo lang yung page nila and then you'll post about it. And then you'll get one. Get yan natin. Okay. So, tada! Got one.
At this point, kabababa lang namin from the cable car and luckily we had free souvenirs pa because of their event.
Ayan, so nakuha kami ng gachapon, malaki. Pati na yung ano yan, pin? Ano yun sa'yo? May laman. Ayan. Mga ref magnet ata yung nakuha nila. So ngayon, dito kami sa Ngong Pin Village pupunta. And we're here at Ngong Pin Village. Ayan, hi mother. So, papasok na kami dito sa Ngong Pin Village. Kami doon sa Buddha. And of course, first order of business, kahit kami doon sa Buddha, si Papa hindi kaya. And Regina at si Mama na nawawala. We're going up. There's the stairs going up. Kami. Madaming steps ulit. So, yun yung Polin Monastery. So, ito kami next. Let's go! Next stop, Polin Monastery. Pasok kami, pero feeling ko bawal mag-video. So we're here nasa Polin Monastery.
The word Polin means precious lotus in Chinese, symbolizing purity and enlightenment in Buddhism. After this, we went back to the main Hong Kong island for a boat cruise.
So for our next activity is magsasakay kami dito sa cruise na binook namin sa Klook. Use my code BartSilogKlook for 5% off sa booking. Ayan. So dito kami sa may Watchtower. So ngayon ay 4:20. Hindi, 3:20 pa lang. Pero maghintay pa tayo. 4:15 pa siya, so you can go around here. Ito yung cultural center nila. And ito yung clock tower. And meron ditong view deck. So pwede pa mag-roam around. Let's go. And so okay tayo sa deck. Let's see.
At ito na nga, pasakay na kami sa boat mismo, and this is 769 pesos only. May discount pa yan if you use my promo code. Unlimited alak pala dito ah.
Ano mas gusto nyo? Aircon o magandang view?
Oh my God!
Mukhang mayaman.
Magasgas!
Maraming mayaman. Parang mayaman kami. Piling mayaman.
Ayan, so nandito na kami dun sa cruise. So binok namin sa Klook, nasa around 700 pesos ata ito. Ayan. So kamusta naman mama? What can you say about sa...
Piling mayaman, masarap. Magpunta ng Hong Kong. Ikaw, kuya. Ready?
Dito kami sa baba kasi mainit. Baka mamaya try namin yung kaya. Pero unlimited yung drinks dito. May coke and alak.
Ikaw, masasabi.
Maliligo ako sana dyan, pwede ba?
Ayan, so dito kami sa cruise. And tingnan natin yung view. Ayan, so dito naman tayo sa other side. Look.
Mami, ano dito may dolphin.
And so part of the cruise is unlimited yung drinks niya. Ito yung mga drinks na available. I'll just take a video. Ayan, that's our available na drinks nila. May wine and vodka and gusto yung maglasing. So we're at day 3 of our annual family trip. Sa Disneyland na kami. At pares kami, wait lang. Ayan, nakaganyan tayo.
Wala pa kasama ka.
Okay, so ayan na kami, bye-bye. So we were able to go in naman ng walang problem. Ayan, so diretso na kami, hindi na kami naghanap ng bubili ng ticket kasi diretso na kami sa counter. Ayan. So now let's explore Disney. Here's the castle. At tayong Frozen sa likod. For sure, pinakamadaming pumupunta dito sa may left side. Usually pa left side yung mga tao, yung ikot nila. So gagawin namin ngayon, pa-right kami. Let's see kung mahaba yung pila. Sa Tomorrowland, dito sa right side, tsaka kaila Iron Man. So dito na kami muna. Dito sa may left side yung mga bagong rides kasi. So dito muna tayo since first time nila mama. So first ride namin is Tomorrowland. Ano to? Na-try ko na to before and maganda siya. Roller coaster, tapos super dark and must.
Ayoko na. Sumisigaw eh. Ako sumigaw.
Unang ride pa lang nila mama, sobrang na-shake na ang utak nila. After this, we ate food na and then continue sa rides uli.
高级乘跟会台姐在您这边哈，你们再搞个佩佩啊，我们要不要救他呢？不要，不要。
This is the Jungle River Cruise, and after this, we went to watch some shows. So eto, tignan nyo, basaan talaga. Next was this amazing Lion King show. Para kang nagbayad ng mahal sa isang theater show. Then went to Frozen. This was so fun, lalo na since this was Regina's childhood. Mga 5,000 beses yan nanood ng Frozen nung bata po siya.
Sister with an unselfish act of true love that falls
We went to more chill rides afterwards. We went to this ride called It's a Small World, a theater show, and even etong flying elephant. Tuwang-tuwa ang magtatay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Next stop was the parade. We had a nice parade na basaan. Don't forget to bring your raincoat kasi they will throw water at you.
Galing! Oh my god!
Lastly, hindi mawawala ang finale for our Disneyland adventure, yung fireworks display sa may castle. This is really one of the highlights kasi ang amazing nung ginagawa nilang projection sa castle with the music and the fireworks.
Oh my god!
Next day, dito naman kami sa Peak Tram. Napakahaba nga lang ng pila pero worth it naman ang pila kasi look at this view sa taas. Sky Terrace 428 is the highest viewing platform in Hong Kong, offering stunning 360-degree panoramic views from the top of Victoria Peak. At 428 meters above sea level, it provides an unrivaled vantage point to take in Hong Kong's iconic skyline, Victoria Harbour and the surrounding islands. Lastly, we went to Macau. Our ride going here was free because they have a promo going on. We went to Senado Square first. This place is iconic. Senado Square is part of the UNESCO Historic Center of Macau and has been a hub of activity for centuries. Next up, we headed to St. Dominic's Church. And wow, this place is rich with history. It was built way back in 1587, making it one of the oldest churches in Macau. It was actually built by Spanish Dominican priests, and the best part, it's still used today. Inside, there's a little hidden gem, a museum that showcases incredible relics like centuries-old manuscripts and statues. It's like stepping back in time. Of course, your Macau travel won't be complete without visiting the ruins of St. Paul. This UNESCO World Heritage Site used to be one of the largest Catholic churches in Asia before it was destroyed by fire in 1835. Nearby, we checked out the Macau Museum. Ang daming artifacts dito. So, and you can see exhibitions about Macau's unique blend of Portuguese and Chinese cultures. It covers everything from daily life in the early 20th century to ancient Chinese relics. It's also a great way to understand the historical ties between East and West. The museum even features a recreation of traditional Macanese streets and shops from the past.
$15 yung entrance fee. Kaya lang, hindi sila tumatanggap ng Hong Kong one, pero pwede yung Visa card. So, usually, puro Visa card yung tinatanggap dito. Ito yung sa loob.
We also went to the Big Ben, the Parisian, and the Venetian. Sobrang ganda ng architecture. Unfortunately, nalobat na ako, so wala na kami masyadong videos. But trust me, the vibe was incredible. So that's it. Thank you for watching our vlog, and I hope you enjoyed our Hong Kong and Macau adventure. If you haven't been here, this is your sign to go and explore. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and fun adventures. Until next time, travel buddies.